I'm just here, so I thought I'd say hello. We're not going to film you. We won't film you. You just talked. Are you still there, Mum? No one's going to film you cry. Alright, love you, Mama. Bye-bye. Okay, so. So it's important, especially as you're young, to get that habit set of just showing empathy and being kind to people that are different to you, as there's also going to be no one like you. So you've got to remember the way you might think. There's going to be things you might want to hide or think. I remember being a kid and being like, oh, I'm embarrassed by this or embarrassed by that. Whereas now I look at it, I wish I embraced my unique nature and was like, this is how I am, and was like that. So to be able to do that, you need to have people around you that accept you for what it is and can just ask questions. If you do something different, do it differently. And also if you see someone do something different, you don't need to necessarily comment, you can ask about it and learn why. And learn, and then if you start to become, I wish I was confident as a younger age and could have become myself and behaved like me from earlier, rather than trying to copy and form into what I think people wanted me to do. You can be kind by asking people. If you see things which are different and you're not sure about it, asking. Trying things that you're not sure about. So if you see one of your friends has something that you have not seen before, or does something in a different way to maybe try it like them, ask it about them, and try and embrace more people, and try and talk to people that don't like you, and try and question things as best you can in a nice way, and listen to what you hear.